Iran has warned against any form of retaliation following the deadly drone attack that hit the Mercer Street ship that killed 2 people. Though Iran has denied being behind the attack on the Israeli-managed ship on which a Romanian and British national were killed, an Iranian official was quoted by Noor News on Monday as saying that Tehran would respond to any move made against it. UK Deputy Ambassador to Israel Mark Power said Israel will make its own decisions on whether to strike back at Iran after the attack on the Mercer Street, amid reports that the UK and US greenlit Israeli targets in Iran. Power said there is clear proof of Iran's culpability, and the UK is working with international partners on a response, echoing remarks by Raab the day before. Power's remark that Israel must make its own considerations came after Kuwaiti newspaper Al Jarida reported that the Israeli army has drawn up a list of Iranian targets to respond to the attack on a tanker off the coast of Oman. The article was headlined with claims the US and UK have greenlit an Israeli response to the attack. The paper, which in the past has also claimed to have sources revealing Iranian attacks and Israeli responses, says that there are accelerated contacts between Israel and the US. The paper says that the attack on the ship of Oman will not go unnoticed and that Israel will deal a painful blow in response. The article stresses that Britain, whose nationals were killed in the attack, and the United States gave a green light to respond. The paper claims that the retaliation could be against several key targets such as the port of Bandar Abbas or destruction of ships near Iranian shores, and the last of which is the targeting of an Iranian warship, from which it is believed that the drones launched the attack. Other sources quoted in the article claimed that the Iranian attack was aimed at the Vienna nuclear talks. Iran is about to have a new president, and this could be linked to his coming to office. Thank you everyone for watching this video.